we're in Vegas. I'm so excited. We literally just got here and I'm exhausted because we've literally been traveling all day today. We left like at 2:30 in the morning and we only just got to the hotel like almost 8 o'clock. But we're gonna get some food for dinner and I'm really craving a fettuccine alfredo with chicken, and I really want like a fudge chocolate cake, like a slice of cake. And so we're gonna get that. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna unwind, and then also too, I really wanna work on a lot of YouTube stuff. I really wanna like edit like 2 main channel videos that I have so that I could post those 2 within the week that I'm here in Vegas. So a lot of content stuff I'll be working on this week, and then just like kind of like just I'm forgetting the word because I'm so exhausted. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be here in Vegas. I'm here in the bathroom because the lighting is spectacular. Actually, I'm going to show you guys a room tour. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. We're currently staying at the Palazzo in Vegas. So I'm so excited and I love this hotel. We've been staying at this hotel like every time I go to Vegas, and it's just such an incredible experience, such an incredible stay. So I love it, and I'll show you guys a room tour. Here's the room tour. We were staying at the Palazzo at the Venetian Resort. Here's the bathroom with 2 sinks, a bathtub, and a shower. I honestly loved this room, even though that's kind of weird to say because it's a bathroom, but I just found myself here all the time because there's this beautiful vanity space where I just sat here throughout the whole week, did my makeup, filmed, and just enjoyed girlhood essentially at the vanity. And then when you enter into the hotel room, there's 2 beautiful queen beds, and then the decor is just really nice in the hotel room. There's also too a TV right in front of the bed so you can watch TV, kind of just see also what you're charging to the room as well. And then you'd go downstairs down these little steps, there's another TV, and you enter into the dining room living room area. Here's our view outside of the hotel room. This is the Sphere. We got a very last minute room upgrade to get a view of the Sphere by a really nice lady that was downstairs, which was super sweet and super kind. And then we went downstairs, got dinner at the Grand Lux Cafe. I got my fettuccine alfredo and cake that I was craving, and then the next morning I got Belgian waffles with strawberries, and it was so delicious, so good. Hi guys, today is the next day. Today is Sunday. I believe it's the 18th of February, and I just finished getting ready. I just finished filming some YouTube shorts, and I was filming and I had so much fun. So now we're gonna go to the Grand Canal shops, which is down below the Palazzo Venetian Hotel, and we're just gonna walk around and like go shopping a little bit and then go get some lunch at Black Tap, which is like a burger place. I love their truffle burger. I tried it in Anaheim. Me and my boyfriend, we went and we tried the truffle burger. It was so good. Literally the best burger I've ever tried in my entire life. One of the best burgers. I just found out they have a Black Tap down below, so we're definitely gonna go eat there, get the truffle burger, and yeah, I'm so excited. I totally forgot to do an OOTD, so this is my OOTD. My white top is from Hollister. My gray jacket is from Brandy Melville, and then my jeans are from Hollister, and then my bag is from Lululemon, and then my white Converse are going to be the shoes for today. I love it. It's so cute and so casual, and I love it, and I'm so excited to go shopping and to go eat, so let's go. Here's the Grand Canal shops. I love this area of the hotel so much. It just feels like you're like in a different space. Like it just really feels like you're in Italy. I love the fake sky. I love how you could just see a sunset, sunrise. There's literally like a canal in the middle of the shopping center, which is crazy. And then we went into a store called Nectar Bath Treats. They have actual soaps and bath bombs in the shape of desserts, which was so cute. Like there's those little macaroon ones and pancake ones. I didn't get anything, but I just loved how the soaps were in the shape of these desserts. I also saw this beautiful Taylor Swift painting. I'll put the artist on the screen, and literally they used the sheet music as the foundation of the painting. And then we got some macaroons. I love macaroons so much. I got a little mini box set, so here's me trying some. Hi, I hope you can hear me. I'm here. We got macaroons. I love macaroons so much. They're literally my favorite dessert, and I'm so excited to try it. We have 7 of them. So right here we have coconut, salted caramel, 2 lemon creams, a lavender white chocolate, and then a strawberry key lime, and then a mango. So I'm so excited. If you could hear singing, we're like in the Grand Canal shops, and there's like these like really cool like boats where like there's like singers on them and like people are on the boats. I am so excited to try the lavender white chocolate. Let's try it. Okay, I want to try the lavender white chocolate one. Mmm, it's good. It's like a hint of lavender, but it's mostly white chocolate. That's really good. Okay. I'm gonna like take a bite of each of them and then save them for later for the hotel. This is lemon cream. Mm. Good. Ooh, that one has like a little bit of like, kind of like a meringue, a lemon meringue inside. I'm gonna try the rest of these in the hotel room. They're really, really good. I really love the flavors that I got. So yeah. And then we went into this jewelry store called Karma and Luck, and I loved this jewelry store because they had jewelry that was based on your astrological sign, and you found out about your birthstones. They also had the Tree of Life gemstones and crystals there, and basically you could have like a little mini tree based on the crystal that you want, which was really cool, just so that you have the crystal's energy within your environment. And also too, it's such a cool decor item. And then also too, they had crystals based on your astrological sign. I found a Leo set, which was really, really cool. And I just loved the aesthetic and the decorations of this store. And then we walked around the rest of the canal shops, and we saw like more fancier restaurants and more fancier kind of shopping places like Louis Vuitton and Coach and Kate Spade. And then we went outside just to see the exterior and the architecture of the hotels. And we were on like this bridge, and it was so nice just outside and looking at the architecture. And then we went to Black Tap. We got our burgers. I got my truffle burger. It was so delicious. I honestly had no idea how much I missed eating the burger until I had my first bite, and it was so good. The truffle burger was truly iconic, so delicious. I loved it. And I'm honestly just so happy and grateful that my brother and I had this sibling day together. We walked around the shops and we ate lunch together, so I'm just really happy that we had this day together. Hi guys! It is Tuesday, February 20th. I did not film yesterday because literally I was just in the hotel room babysitting and editing, so there wasn't really much going on yesterday. But today we have really exciting plans today. We're going to the Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen restaurant for lunch. I'll take you guys along with me today. I'm so excited. And let me show you my OOTD for today. Okay, I hope you can hear me. So I was gonna wear like a black sweater dress and like white heels, but literally no one's wearing anything fancy, which is totally okay. Everyone's going like really casual. So this is my outfit. It is the iconic denim outfit, and I love it so, so much. So this top is from a boutique from Stella Boutique. My jeans are from Hollister, and then my ballerina-esque white sleeve is from Princess Polly. My denim heels are on. I'm also bringing my Lululemon bag. Let's go eat because I'm literally starving, and I'm so excited for this restaurant experience. Like, you guys literally have no idea. Like, this is literally the most exciting part of the trip, so I'm so excited and I'm so ready to take you guys along with me, and yeah, let's go eat. I honestly ate so much on this trip, and I enjoyed every single second minute of it. I love eating. It's literally one of my favorite hobbies, so I just really, really enjoyed this Vegas experience because I ate so much. I ate really good food. I'm honestly just so happy, so appreciative, and very blessed to just eat so much food on this trip, and all the food was delicious. I'm just very appreciative and so blessed of this experience. This is Hell's Kitchen. We ordered 2 appetizers. We ordered the pan-seared scallops and the lobster risotto. I loved both of these appetizers so much, but if I had to choose, I think I loved the pan-seared scallops a little bit more, but I love me some lobster and a lobster risotto. So good. I got a delicious mocktail. I also tried the lobster mac and cheese, which was so good. It was so iconic. I always love me lobster mac and cheese. It's one of my favorites. And then I got the filet mignon, which was it was so iconic. It was so delicious. I loved it. And my sister-in-law got the beef Wellington. Both dishes were so delicious and so iconic, but if I had to choose one, I think the filet mignon is the winner in my opinion. We also ordered sticky toffee pudding, which I was so excited to try, so here's my first time trying it.
No, just whenever.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so good. Guys, I literally cannot tell you how much this dessert was so delicious. Like, it's truly now my favorite dessert of all time. Like, finding out at 23 years old, this is my favorite dessert. It was so iconic. I would literally eat that dessert every single day if I could. Hi guys, we're back. Lunch was literally incredible. Like, my filet mignon and my toffee sticky pudding, my dessert, was literally the best things I've ever eaten in my entire life. The sticky toffee pudding was literally the best dessert that I've ever had in my entire life. It truly is incredible. Like, the first bite was literally heaven, and like, I could go to that restaurant solely just to get the dessert. It was incredible. And the filet mignon, like the glaze that came with it and the steak together, phenomenal. The filet mignon and the sticky toffee pudding, perfection. Like, truly my favorite things I've ever eaten in my entire life. Like, honestly, I took so much content there. Like, I get anxious like filming content when I'm out and about, but I try my best because I want to like get over that like anxiety feeling of like filming in public. But like, in the restaurant, I felt so calm. Like, I mean, other than like feeling like I didn't belong there because it was too fancy, but like, in terms of like feeling like, oh, like self-conscious about filming in public, I felt okay, like, which is like one of the first times in public I've ever felt okay. We're gonna get ready to go to an escape room in the hotel. I think we might be doing like a spooky or like a zombie themed kind of escape room, so I'm really excited. I've honestly never done an escape room before. I've always wanted to, and I think we're gonna have like a big group. I'll definitely film like before we get in there and after and talk about the experience later on, but I'm so excited. I'm so sorry I can't take you guys with me to the escape room. Honestly, it makes sense, like, so we wouldn't cheat and like look it up on our phones. Like, we have to figure it out with our heads. Let's go. This is the escape room place. It's called PanIQ Room. If you're ever in Vegas at the Venetian Hotel, it's called PanIQ Room. I think they also have one at Caesar's Palace, but these are all of the escape rooms that you could do. We did the Haunted Manor one, which had a medium difficulty, and we had 8 people in our group. The decor in this place was so beautiful. I loved it. We had a bar and just a little waiting area until we went into our game. And here's me taking videos and pictures. I loved the escape room experience so much. We just finished the escape room. I loved that experience so much. I honestly thought we weren't going to solve it and that we were going to run out of time and not know like how to solve it. Well, we ended up solving it with 15 minutes, and I think it was 15 minutes and 3 seconds to spare, which was insane. Like, we figured it out. It was a haunted manor one, so it was like a spooky one. I honestly surprised myself because I solved 2 puzzles with the help of other team members, of course. And like, one was like a little like spin wheel, and then like it was connected to the lights on the grandfather clock, so you had to like match it like with the rotation. I don't know if that makes sense. And then there was like a family tree where like there was pictures of like all the family ghosts, and like you had to like put it in a family tree together and then put like the children on like the little vanity mirror. It was honestly so much fun. I would do another escape room, honestly, maybe a different theme, but I loved the spooky theme. It was so much fun. I got scared with like the sounds, but other than that, I had such a fun time. I'm glad we went in like such a big group because everyone just started going everywhere, and I felt like we all worked as a team and like figured out everything quickly because like we were all searching the room, like, and we didn't really have to do as much hints as I thought we would have. So I'm so glad we did that. Such a great experience, and I loved it so much. I don't know what the plan is now, but we're just gonna go with the flow today, and yeah, so I'll take you guys along with me. Here's this beautiful iconic chandelier. I had to film it, and then we went into this VIP lounge and we got some snacks. There were pastries. you guys know I had to grab some macarons for myself. And then we went off the strip. We went to this Korean barbecue place that was off the strip, and I just love like just driving by, seeing all the lights in Vegas. It was just so like scenic like looking like in the car like driving by. Actually, before we went to the Korean barbecue chicken place, we went to Miniso. Oh my gosh, Miniso is literally my favorite store ever, and I didn't even know it. They have the cutest Sanrio character merchandising. They literally have a ton of stuffed animals. I couldn't leave without a Hello Kitty pillow. And then we went to the Korean barbecue chicken place. We got honey barbecue chicken and then soy barbecue chicken. Oh my gosh, I love Korean barbecue chicken way more than American barbecue chicken. Korean barbecue chicken just hits different and it's just so delicious. And then we got some drinks. I got a Fat Tuesday slushy. It was peach bellini mixed with strawberry. And then we went to the Omega Mart in Area 15. It was just so interesting seeing the different lights and designs. It definitely felt very trippy, like being in like the various rooms. Here we are like walking in a tunnel, and then it's like we have to go like kind of like bend down a little bit to get to the other room, which was like they had these really cool like pathways and just these scenic things to look at, which was really nice. And this was my favorite part, this like room right here with like just these like lights, like these silvery white lights. And then we're in this 360 room with mirrors and heads, and it was just really nice in the Omega Mart. I've never seen anything like this in my entire life. I loved how this was like an interactive visual art museum type of thing. I loved the visual effects, the visual art, the lighting. I loved how like you could just find all these pathways to find each artistic room. This is the end of my Las Vegas vlog. This is part 1, so if you want to see part 2, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video in part 2. Bye guys!